Hello there everyone, and welcome to our Geometry and Nature Stencil Release Full Reveal video. So first up we have Leaf Bed Stencil. Now this is a 6x6 stencil and it features a beautiful intertwining foliage kind of leaf image on here. There are many things that you can do with this, and I do think that this is gender neutral. Next up we have the very pretty Castle Motifs stencil. So again, this is 6x6 and it features beautiful flowers and leaves images on here that you can stencil through very easily using your ink blending tool. I think this is kind of wallpaper-like and it gives a really great effect. Next up we have the Colour Block Triangle stencil. Now this one is a beautiful geometric stencil. Again, this is 6x6, and because this is geometric, it's going to work for all different types of projects, be that feminine or even masculine cards as well. Next up we have Woven Stencil. Again, this is 6x6 and it is a geometric design which is very detailed with these beautiful woven stripes in here. So again, because it's geometric, you're going to be able to use this on all of your different projects, be that masculine or even feminine cards as well. Next up we have the Leaf Drops stencil. Now this is a really cool stencil. Again, this is 6x6. This also reminds me of like little fish tails, so I reckon you could really play around with this one to create many different designs, maybe even mask some up to create a really fun strip design with these. Next up we have a Sphere stencil. Now the stencil itself is 6x6, but that circle that you can see there is 4 inches across. So this is a great way to add a really great focal point to your cards. It's a really fun one to use and it is very geometric, so will work on all of your projects. Next up in the release is the Modern Circle stencil. Now this is a really clever one. So we have kind of half circles all over this 6x6 stencil. Now what you're going to want to do is ink it in one colour, turn it around and then ink it in a second colour to create a really fun retro background. Next up we have Mighty Corners stencil. Now this is a really fun one, very geometric in nature as well. Again, this is 6x6 and this is going to add some really great corner pieces to your card designs. I love how geometric this is, so it's going to work for all of your projects, be that masculine, feminine, or even add a little touch of floral in there. So last but not least in this stencil release is the Stripe Builder stencil. Now this is a really cool one. So what you want to do with this one is ink it up in one colour, twist it around and then ink it in another colour, and you're going to be able to create some kind of layered stripe effects with this one. A really fun one to use and really cute. So these are all the products that we have in our stencil release this time round. We really do hope that you've seen something that inspires you and makes you want to create something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.